And my parents always drilled it into me that I have to work twice as hard. I have to give twice as much to get the same opportunities. I really embraced that approach to everything. And I've really tried to give my all, more than the people around me, to make sure that I just get the same opportunities. My dad ran a coach company in Leeds for 36 years. And it went through its highs and lows. It had a bankruptcy, it had some serious issues, but he managed to make it work. And that was just his positive approach and his genuine love for what he did. My mum, when she came from Barbados, she went around Africa doing missionary work for the churches, and then ended up settling in the UK, made a group of friends, and she's managed to get herself into this really prosperous position where they were able to send me to a private school. Lord knows how they managed to afford that. And I was just really grateful for that. I could see the positive approach that they took to their lives each day. They were always striving for more.